If you want to remove background from images or photos on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then we can go to the gallery and we can open the photo from which we want to remove the background. This time we're gonna tap on this pen icon at the bottom, tap on these 4 circles on the right side and choose Lasso. Now over here we have these 3 options. We're gonna stick with a snap to shape. So here I'm gonna just simply select the area of this toy car since I want to keep it and remove the background. And then we can press next. And as you can see, the background is immediately gone. I can also create this outline over here if I want to. And I can also choose the the color for the outline as well. I'm gonna stick with the white one. I think it looks pretty cool. And we can press done. And there we go. Now we can press save in order to immediately save our photo. However, we just replaced the original one. So if you want to keep the original photo, then in that case you need to tap on these 3 dots and choose save copy instead. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.